Begzaz, our grammarian, to give his report.
Yeah, you have some to write. Okay. Good evening, everybody, once again. So I will try to be as brief as possible. So first speaker was Olga Popova. So she said she made some minor mistakes, and I'm going to tell some of them. So she said, who didn't solve? So there is a problem with tense. Okay. Next, there was a mistake with plural and singular forms. For example, she says there is two personalities. Like there were two persons like this. And after definite verbs like start, we use ing. I started learning. I started dancing, and so on. But you said I started do something like that. And there was one sentence. Look at those leaves that dancing. We need verb to be, which is are. Look at those leaves which are dancing or something like that. The second one was Agirim Kaliyeva. Okay, where is she? Ah. Look, you mentioned that you are a well-organized person. Yes, I noticed it because in your speech I almost couldn't find any grammar mistakes. Maybe because your speech was fast enough, very fast and so. But there was, I have some notes anyway. You started talking about your coach, trainers, swimming and so on, and you said, my trainer, something, however, he said no. I think it's better to use but between the sentences. Usually, however, we use at the beginning of paragraph, just like contradiction, something. And I didn't know how to bike, you said it. It's okay, I don't agree, but I think it's better to say I didn't know how to cycle the bike, something like that. Okay, next speaker was Asel. Well, again, minor mistakes, everyone knows. There should be everyone knows, everybody knows, and so on. And you also, during your speech, mixed present past tense. Actually, many speakers do this mistake, that's why. And here was the end of your speech. I didn't get my degree yet. It's better to use present perfect with yet. I haven't got my degree yet. That's it. Next was Aliyah, yeah, an evaluator. Well, everything was okay, but I noticed one point. She said you did speak loudly when she was talking about past speech, after giving the speech. It's better to say, I think, you did speak, or you spoke loudly. What you do speak loudly. Then Madina, I noticed people were whispering. I noticed, I think. Not I noticed. It's like passive words, we need to use active words because you did it. You noticed, not somebody else. And there was one sentence. I think there is a stylistic problem. You said, I used no notes at all. I think it's better to say I didn't use any notes at all. That was the point. And your speech was really very fast, and you made some minor mistakes in terms of tenses. You just mixed present and past. That's it. Next was Yadikar, yeah? No comments. It was clear, concise. And then next was, after Yadikar, we had Katya, yeah? Tabletop master. No comments at all, and I'm going to mention impromptu speakers as well. The first one was Daniel, yes? The second. The first was Valery, yeah? Good, no comments. Daniel, to make my plans, and you start counting your plans, and I think to realize my plans, something like that. I don't think that we used to make plans. I'm going to realize my plans by doing this, by the help of that, and so on. Balkanje, I don't have to, I think it should be model like equivalent. Next, Madina. Look, Madina and Sergey, I'm not sure whether it's a mistake or not, but as far as I know, when we don't know to say something, we usually say what to say, not how to say. As far as I know, how to say it's like direct Russian translation. British and American people, in my opinion, use what to say. Madina and Sergey used this phrase incorrectly several times. Next, Madina, she said decisionable person or something like that. I think it should be decisive person. Yes? Decisive person. Okay, next, Sabzbahor, no comments. Alibi, when he talked about ladies, he said parameters. Well, I'm not sure that this is the correct usage of word in this context anyway. Qualities, features, I don't know. It's better to use this word, not parameter. Parameters, usually we associate with other stuff, you know? Okay, now, then after I leave it, that's it, and I'm going to tell you short statistics about the usage of this word, okay? Tom used it a lot with 2 times. Olga, now I didn't use. Asel 2 times. Alia didn't use, unfortunately. Madina once. Yadikar once. Valery 0. Katya once. That's all. So the leader, we have 2 leaders.
I did.
You did?
Yes.
Maybe we'll just. Okay, we have 2 leaders. It's Tom and Asel.
I'll confirm it later.
That's it. Thank you very much for your attention.